What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another reaction video. Welcome back to another reaction video. Yes, I know it's been a long time. But we back. Like we never left. And today, we're doing a reaction video. Whoop! To a horror film. So, it is called The Nightingale. It's a short horror film by Alter. They have really good short horror films. So yeah, if you haven't seen them, you should just go and look at them or whatever, because they're super dope and they're pretty scary to me. You know, I don't like nothing scary. No scary movies. No scary skits, no scary nothing. Nothing that's gonna scare me. Like, if it's a TV show and it's scary, I'm not watching it. I'm gonna be like this the whole time. Can you see me? Can you see me now? Can you see me? Can you see me now? Can you see me? Can you see me now? Because I don't like nothing scary. Like, I don't like nothing scary. So, with further ado, we're about to get into this video, this reaction video. Woo, 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 woo. I Oh yeah. Got me some popcorn. And you said it great, you know, listen, music. It's called Nightingale, y'all. I think it's called Nightingale. It's Nightingale. Nightingale. I might be the hood version of it. She going home? Who's that coughing like that? So you got COVID? Nightingale. Nightingale. Okay, so which way? She must be a nurse. She got on scrubs. She like, I don't want to go to this job. Screw these people, screw this job, but it's paying their bills. Hello. Oh my God. What's wrong with him?
Julia komt straks wel bij.
Oh, she already at work.
Terug naar de kamer? Ja, kom maar. Is goed. Kom.
Dang, he just walked up on her like that. Ain't no way.
Meneer Blanke, die nog wat last van plassen.
What is this? I gotta read this.
En C3.
Oh man.
Daar rommel ik nog wat vandaag.
That make it worse when you gotta read the subtitles.
Slapen en als laatste nog wat. Dat ziet er niet goed uit, daar maak ik me wel zorgen om.
She's not doing well. I'm really worried about her.
Meneer Cornelissen, het van zo net moet ik nog.
Miss Cornelius just
Ga naar huis, ik doe het.
go home, I'll do it.
Oh. Thanks.
Thanks.
Ben
I'm
ik ook kapot
exhausted.
eigenlijk.
Y'all hear that music? Is them bunnies? We got 3 big old bunnies. Why do y'all have that as a pet at a nursing home or something? What's up, Mrs. Man? My bad. She jumpy. I mean, I know I'm jumpy, but
Heeft
she
u genoeg
jumpy.
gedronken vandaag?
Did you have enough to drink today? Heck no, you're a reason. She about to die of dehydration. She thirsty. She is parched. Excuse me. Who is calling her? Oh. That is not how you don't get this old lady. I feel so miserable, Julia.
Het is niet veel, maar hopelijk werkt het een beetje. Ja. Ja. Goed zo.
There you go.
Kijk eens.
She gotta pull up on a little pulley bar. Oh. I'm scared. Da-da-da-da. She about to take her out. She humming? Don't hum to me while I sing on my deathbed. Or when I'm ill. Don't hum to me at all. Don't do nothing. Look, there go that man. Look, he like her. You stalking her? Oh my God, this little old man. You don't even see him turn around. You don't even see this man. Look at you walk off. You know what? Who is calling her? Look, you following her. She don't hear. She don't hear him in his heavy breath. Oh, we done got a bed. That must be a nursing home. You really trying to tell me she don't hear him with his hot breath? His hot breath.
Kom, we brengen hem naar de kamer.
Ja, daar.
Nee, did he fall in the toilet?
Ik hoor haar gaat heel hard hoesten. Nou hoor ik helemaal niks meer.
I could go something that I had something back there. I have
Blijft u
it.
even hier?
Dus, ja.
She died. Did she die? She died. Did she die? She died of dehydration. That's probably what she died from. Yeah, she died. Why you got... Why does she have
Met
her...
Julia. Hallo. Ik
She
wil de sterfgeval
died.
melden.
I would like to report a death. I would like to report a creepy building. Hello? She gonna go towards it. Oh no, I'm not even going down there. I'm not even gonna go down there. I'm just going back towards the nursing station. Who's she on the phone with? Did I hang up? And then she just left the dead body down there. Who leaves a dead body in a sketchy nursing home or whatever this is? That body gonna be gone. Popcorn hot. Ooh. Popcorn hot. Oh, so they tore up the room?
Hey. Hey, Sally. Hey, wat doe jij hier? Nice.
It's the old man! Hold on. Wait a minute. She gonna eat him too? Ah! 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 This old man, you better get up. Oh! Oh my God! Oh! 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 Oh my God! She is beating up the old man and bashing his head in. And she bit the bunny. Oh, this is a vampire. She's a vampire. Oh. Oh. Plot twist. Oh, don't cry now. Don't cry now. What the hell? Dang, everybody's calling me. And then brought the man back to life. See? It be them type of people that be quiet. Them quiet people? I'm not finna play with them. I need you to make some noise at all times. Them quiet people, I'm telling you, they got something to hide. Shawty in here eating the bunnies. And the people, the old people that stay in the home. You know, I don't even, like, what? My bad. I had to get that off my screen. Like, first off, it was her eating the bunny for me. Like, she straight up was like, oh, how did you get out your cage? And then she picked up the bunny. And she was like, oh. And then she was like she bit into the bunny. And the old man, he was trying to kill her because I guess he seen her do that before, because he had like some little tool in his hand or whatever. So I guess he was trying to like kill her because he seen her do it. But he ended up stabbing himself because y'all see, man. He ended up stabbing himself, and then she bit him in the neck and bashed the man's head in. Then put him in the bed and hummed him back to sleep and sniffed his neck. That is some beyond me stuff. I ain't fooling with it. I ain't fooling with it. You can have it. No. See, because it is, I'm probably never, ever going to recommend, when I get old, do not put me in a place like this. Like, I don't want to go in a place like this because I ain't got time for the nurses to be vampires and be biting people in the neck. No, ma'am. No ham, no ham, no bacon, no turkey. It's a big no for me. So you up here eating the I cannot. Just as quiet. Oh, I got it. Yeah, I'm sure you do. You got it. You got eating the people. That's what you got up here, eating the freaking patients. Like, man, what are you doing? Child. I'm floored. Anyways. That is all the time we have. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe to this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell ding. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube page. And make sure you come back and look at more videos. I am back. I will be posting more. And I'm going to get to it. All right, y'all. Have a great day and see you next time.